Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how do you add gift card on Nike app. So let's get into the video. Open up your Nike app and then log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so if you want to add a gift card, so you can do so when you make an order, especially when you do the when you get to the checkout page. So let me choose an order. So probably I'll just add this to my checkout at my bag. So and then go to my bag here. So once I get to my bag here, so I'm going to check out with this item here. So let's wait for that. So okay, I'm going to hit on checkout. So okay, so I'm going to hit on checkout and then just waiting for this to load. Okay, so when you get to the checkout page here, so we need to get to the payment section here. So for example, all right, that's fine, and you can enter your name, delivery address here. That's fine, all good. And then once you're done, just hit on continue and then choose your delivery option here, which service you want. Then just hit on continue to billing, and then here once you get here, so click on continue to payment. And then when you get to this this section here, and you have this option here, have a promo code. Yep, so this is where you enter your gift card code here. So enter your gift card code here and then hit on apply or done, and that should apply or avail your gift card option here when you make the payment. So based on your gift card's value and availability, or I mean expiration date. So right, so if it's still valid, then you should be able to just type in the code and then hit on apply, and that's it. That's how you add a gift card to Nike app. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.